Good morning, everyone. So it is Happy Monday. I am doing a second week of packed lunch ideas for school or work. And for today's packed lunch, I have here a tuna salad sandwich for my oldest daughter, which I just got chunk-like tuna in water, drained it really well, and put some mayo, salt and pepper, a little bit of parsley, mayonnaise, and sweet relish. And then I just toasted the bread. And I'm just going to lift this up so you guys see what it looks like. So that is what it looks like, the tuna salad sandwich. And then she has a hard-boiled egg. And for snacks, this is the little bites, brownie bites, 3 pieces in here. Some honey graham crackers and just some fresh sliced strawberries. For my other daughter, she has the same dessert and fruit plate. And she also has a hard-boiled egg, but she doesn't like tuna salad sandwiches. So I drained the water off the tuna. I just put some cocoa aminos, which is a healthier substitute for soy sauce. And then just a little salt and pepper on top. And she loves pepper, so I put a little extra pepper. And then just some basmati rice that I warmed up for her. And then they just have some Honest Kids Twisted Tropical Tango juice. And they have water in their backpacks. So that is for today's lunch. Have a good day, everyone. Hello and good morning. Happy Tuesday to all of you. I hope you have a wonderful day today. May all of you have a productive and great day. So for today's lunch, over here, I just have like an oatmeal cream cookie for their dessert. Also for fruits, I diced up some apples, some red seedless grapes, and some blackberries. So that is what they will have for dessert and for fruits today. Over here is a Spam musubi, and the Spam that I used today is the turkey. And it looks like this. We do have a video on Spam musubi, and I will leave that link in the description box. It's a video that shows how to make 3 kinds of Spam musubis. Also, we have a butter lettuce cup here. So just 1 butter lettuce leaf, and I sliced up some English cucumber and some red cherry tomatoes, and then just some Honest organic juice drink. Hello and good morning. Happy Wednesday to all of you. I hope you have a wonderful day today. So here is the next day's packed lunch idea. All right, so starting over here, I just have some cantaloupe and strawberries that I cut up. And they also have a little thin brownie crisp and a Madeleine cookie. So that is their fruit and dessert for the day. And then over here, this is from last night's dinner. It's a lettuce wrap filling. I do have a lettuce wrap filling recipe that is not like this. I have a few variations. This is one of them with baby corn. And I will leave a link in the description box for my original lettuce wrap filling. So check that out. So I just sliced some iceberg lettuce, and they also have some baby carrots and the lettuce wrap filling here, which is some ground beef, onions, baby corn, seasonings, and that is their lunch for today. And then they just have some water, some sparkling, no sugar added flavored water. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you for tomorrow's lunch. Hello and good morning to all of you. It is now Thursday morning, almost the end of the week, and this is what I have packed for the kids today. So for their meal today, I just have some cooked white rice over here for Rachel, my youngest daughter, and I also put some green peas. I cooked this with a little bit of butter, and then this is just some chicken teriyaki. I just sauteed some chicken pieces with some teriyaki sauce this morning, and then let it cool down a bit, and that's what I'm doing right now. I'm letting it cool down. Okay, for Marcel, this is potatoes from last night's dinner. I just cut it up and boiled them. And I just put cheese on top. She loves potatoes with cheese on top. And the same thing, some buttered green peas and chicken teriyaki breast. And then also for dessert and fruits, I have diced apples and red seedless grapes, and then also a rice roll and a granola bar. And then for their drinks today is the Apple and Eve 100% fruit punch juice. So that is their lunch for today. You all have a wonderful day, and we will see you tomorrow. Hello, happy Friday to all of you. So here is our last day of packed lunch ideas, and what I have for my kids today. So I have some Kashi Chewy Nut Butter Bars, and it's the salted caramel pecan, and these are really good. You can find these sometimes at the dollar store or Big Lots instead of the regular store, and they're not even expired or anything. So, and these are so good. My husband and I love these also, and the kids love these. They're really good. So I just put this bread in the oven and put a little bit of butter, a little bit of garlic powder, and some Italian seasoning and parsley, and I just cut it in half. I put that in the oven at 350 for about like 5 to 7 minutes. I also boiled some spaghetti today, 2 small servings, and I just took some pesto that was already made. You can make your own, but sometimes I just buy the store-bought. And after the noodles were done, I just drained it and then put it right back in the pot while it was still hot. And then I just spooned a couple teaspoons of pesto, mixed it really well. And so that's what this is. And for my other daughter who is not lactose intolerant, I just put some Parmesan cheese. And then over here is a parfait cup, but my daughter who cannot have dairy is just gonna have it with no yogurt. So it's just peaches and strawberries, and this is a granola strawberry. And here is the one for my other daughter that has the plain yogurt on top. And then there is her granola that she can put on top at school so it doesn't get soggy. And these containers, you guys, were really cheap. I got these at Walmart. I believe it was just a little over $1, so that was an excellent deal. And remember, these containers I got at IKEA for $5.99. All right, so that is our last packed lunch ideas for this week, and I hope you guys have enjoyed. This is my second week of this series, so I hope you are enjoying them and getting some ideas. All right, goodbye everyone.